Hey everyone, it's Farah, and let's talk about a fashion staple that I absolutely adore, scarves. You know those versatile pieces of fabric that add a touch of elegance, a pop of color, or a cozy layer to any outfit. Long regarded as a wardrobe staple, scarves combine fashion and function to create a multi-purpose piece that works in any season. Whether they're wrapped for warmth, draped over the shoulders for elegance, or artistically tied to highlight an ensemble, scarves are a timeless fashion statement. In this video, we'll delve into the wonderful world of scarves. Let's examine their materials, learn about their intriguing history, and find creative ways to wear them for any occasion. Darling, scarves have a history as rich and varied as the cultures that have embraced them. Did you know that scarves were initially worn in ancient Egypt for practical reasons? Think sun protection and status symbols. Even Queen Nefertiti herself was rarely seen without a beautifully crafted scarf. Fast forward to ancient Rome, scarves, or sudarium as they were called, were essential for keeping cool and clean. Imagine gladiators and senators wiping their brows with these ancient predecessors to the modern scarf. But it was in 17th century Europe that the scarf as we know it truly came into its own. Croatian mercenaries sported cravats, stylish neckcloths that quickly took the fashion world by storm. From humble beginnings to coveted accessories, scarves have truly stood the test of time. Now let's talk about the good stuff, the luxurious fabrics that make scarves so delightful. From the smooth caress of silk to the cozy embrace of wool, there's a scarf material out there for every mood and occasion. Picture this, a summer evening soiree, the gentle breeze caressing your skin as you make a statement in a shimmering silk scarf. Or perhaps it's a crisp winter day and you're bundled up in the warm embrace of a chunky wool scarf. And let's not forget the ultimate indulgence, cashmere. If you haven't experienced the cloud-like softness of a cashmere scarf, you're in for a real treat. Remember, choosing the right fabric is key to achieving that perfect blend of style and comfort. One of the things I love most about scarves is their incredible versatility. They're not just a one-season wonder, they can elevate your style all year round. In the depths of winter, a thick cashmere or wool scarf adds warmth, texture, and a touch of sophistication to your cold weather ensembles. As the weather warms and spring arrives, a lightweight cotton or blend scarf provides a welcome layer for those chilly mornings and evenings, adding a pop of color and visual interest. When summer's heat arrives, reach for airy silk and linen scarves to accessorize without adding bulk. And as the leaves start to turn, embrace the rich hues of autumn with scarves in bold patterns or earthy tones. It's no secret that scarves have captured the hearts of fashion icons and designers throughout history. They've graced the necks of Hollywood legends and added a touch of drama to countless runway shows. Think Audrey Hepburn, a vision of elegance in her signature silk scarves. Or Grace Kelly, effortlessly chic with a scarf draped over her shoulders. These style icons knew how to elevate any outfit with the transformative power of a well-chosen scarf. And let's not forget the modern-day masters of scarf design. Brands like Hermes and Burberry continue to showcase the endless possibilities of this timeless accessory. Whether knotted, tied, or draped, scarves have become synonymous with sophistication and style. Now let's have some fun and explore the endless ways to style a scarf. Trust me, mastering a few simple techniques can transform your look and allow you to express your unique personality. For a classic and effortless look, try the simple loop. Fold your scarf in half, drape it around your neck, and pull the loose ends through the loop. Want to add a touch of Parisian chic? The French knot is your go-to. Wrap the scarf around your neck, leaving one end longer than the other. Cross the longer end over the shorter one and tuck it underneath, creating an effortlessly stylish knot. And for a bit of boho flair, try the infinity twist. Tie the ends of your scarf together, loop it around your neck twice, and adjust for volume and comfort. But darling, we're not done yet. For a look that's both chic and unexpected, try the waterfall drape. Drape the scarf unevenly around your neck, letting one end cascade over your shoulder for a soft, flowing effect. If you're feeling bold and want to make a statement, the knotted necklace is the perfect choice. Fold your scarf in half, wrap it around your neck, and tie a small knot at each end for a unique and eye-catching accessory. And for those days when you want to add some structure to your outfit, try the belted wrap. Wrap a long scarf around your shoulders and secure it at your waist with a belt, letting the ends hang loose for a touch of effortless style. And last but not least, embrace your inner bohemian with the boho wrap. Fold your scarf into a triangle, drape it around your neck with the point facing forward, and tie the ends loosely at the back for a carefree, effortless vibe. Scarves are so much more than just fashion accessories. They're often deeply intertwined with cultural identity and tradition. Think of the keffiyeh, a powerful symbol of Palestinian heritage, or the dupatta, an integral part of traditional South Asian attire. From headscarves worn for religious purposes to scarves used to signify social status, these versatile pieces of fabric have transcended their practical uses to become powerful emblems of culture and belief. It's a beautiful reminder that fashion can be both deeply personal and a reflection of our shared human experience. Now that you've discovered the wonderful world of scarves, let's talk about how to keep them looking their best. Proper storage is key. Fold your thicker scarves to prevent creasing and hang your lighter scarves to maintain their shape. When it comes to cleaning, always check the care label. Delicates, like silk and linen, might require a gentle hand wash, while wool and cashmere benefit from professional dry cleaning. And remember, darling, avoid rough surfaces and sharp jewelry that could snag or damage your precious scarves. With a little love and care, your scarves will continue to elevate your style for years to come. So there you have it, my loves, a journey into the wonderful world of scarves. I hope this video has inspired you to embrace the versatility, style, and history of this timeless accessory. Experiment with different fabrics, explore unique styling techniques, and don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. Remember, scarves are more than just pieces of fabric. They're a way to express your individuality, add a touch of elegance to any outfit, and make a statement that's uniquely you.